Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to change a temperature cartridge on a concealed shower. So first of all, what you want to do is locate and turn off your main stopcock into the building. Or if you've got a shower pump, you're going to need to isolate that feeding the shower you're working on. So with that isolated, you just want to double check, because this is a mains pressure system, that the water has turned off like so before working on this shower. So with that totally dead on the hot and cold side, leave that open and now you can work on the shower. So with this shower, as you can see, these handles just twist quarter turn, so there's nothing coming out of that, so that good to carry on working. So first of all, what you want to do is these ones just pull off. Your ones might have a grub screw on the handle that you need to locate and remove. So remove both the handles and put them to one side. The top tip that I use is just put them in the order that you take them off, or take a photo as you go along to know what order things go back on. So as you can see, you've just got to start taking the handles off, and you've got to remove this screw to remove the white cap and remove the circlip to the shower. This white bit was a bit fiddly, you have to get a flat bladed screwdriver in to take that off. You can also undo the shrouds. Be careful not to damage the plate. So that just pops off and you put that to one side. As you can see, I'm putting them in order, but it needs to come off. And there's this really tight locking nut that needs to be removed. You might need a spanner or a big set of adjustable grips on this just to turn it. Just turn it backwards and forwards because it might be full of limescale, but once it's free, then remove that and also put that to one side like so. So this is the cartridge for this shower. And inside you just want to double check that it looks something like the one that you're going to be removing. It also comes with some fitting instructions and a clip for the temperature to stop. So as you can see, all brand new. Make sure it looks roughly the same. Things might have changed a little bit on their design, but this looks exactly the same, so we know we're good to work on it.